I'm just gonna fix myself kasi may class ako. And that's practice core 2 for 8 a.m. 10 a.m. today.
Why? Because if it's outside the direct examination, then the opponent, the prosecution would object on the basis that it is not part of the testimony of the witness. So this.
Oh my god guys, nakakahiya. Nakakaloka kasi I was called to recite and kapag magre-recite kasi, ino-on yung cam, diba? So, nung pina-on yung cam, nagulat yung prof ko na hindi ako nakapalit, ganyan. Na parang bagong gising, ganyan. So, ganyan. Kakagising mo ba? Nag-breakfast ka na ba? So, start kasi ako, nagising ako 10 minutes before 8. So, wala na akong time magayos and all. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast and all. So, nakakahiyo! So guys, sorry hindi na ako nakapag-update kanina because sobrang dami ng ganap. As in, tuloy-tuloy yung recitations, ganyan. So, we're done for the day. Actually, it's mga 2:30 p.m. na. And, yan, mag-freshen up lang ako kasi pupunta ako ng SM today. I'm planning to go to Watson's kasi wala na kaming stock ng vitamin D3. Syempre, kailangan mag-restock. And ng meds ni mama. So, quick lang naman yun. Actually guys, iniisip ko if maliligo na ba ako ngayon or mamaya na lang pag-uwi. Pero parang mas gusto ko mamaya na lang pag-uwi kasi sayang tubig. So, siguro magwa-wash up na lang muna ako, toothbrush and all. And yeah, tara! I just got home and sorry if hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina sa Watson's kasi for some reason, ako yung pinagbawalan ng guard and hindi ko na tinuloy kasi baka paalisin pa ako doon. So, I'm just going to show you na lang kung alin mga nabili ko doon. Just a quick haul. Sorry guys if magulo, pero that's that. So, first, I have here yung mga serum. This is the collagen with vitamin C ng Dr. Sensitive and pore tightening serum nila. And yung vitamin D3, I got 40. And huwag nyo pansinin yan yung aking magnesium tablet. And Bodes sanitary pad kasi it's the time of the month. And lastly, yung aking Sol White Korea. So guys, nagpunta rin ako ng grocery kanina. And sobrang quick lang. Nag-crave lang ako ng mi goreng. So I bought 2 for mama and papa. And for auntie. And lastly, mayonnaise. Actually guys, hindi ako nag-white bread. Pero since sa bahay gusto nila to, and yan, kinuhanan ko sila. Yan lang. So I crave for pancit canton guys. And nagpaluto ako kay Auntie Sally. I actually have the mi goreng. And hindi ako papayag na walang egg. Let's make halo everything. Sorry if may maririnig kayong chickens. Kasi our kapitbahay is nag-aalaga ng chickens. I know it looks messy, pero it's super good. May mga anemic na part. Anyway guys, I'm not eating pancit canton or mi goreng sa palagian naman. Ngayon lang kasi sobrang nagki-crave ako because siguro nagpi-PMS ako, ganyan. But, hindi naman palagi. And, baka kasi i-bash nyo ako kasi alam nyo naglo-low carb diet ako tapos biglang pancit canton. I just woke up from a nap and natulog ako kasi ngayong gabi gusto ko makatapos ng at least 15 cases sa mga case digest ko sa civil law review para bukas konti na lang. So guys, ito yung list of cases namin. Actually, 29 or 30 cases to. Pero, ito kasi guys yung first batch ng midterm. So, gusto kong tapusin ng mga hanggang 15 para bukas konti na lang. So, yeah. Start! Let it go. Let it go. can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. So guys, nakakaloka. Number 8 pa lang ako. Actually, kakatapos ko lang ng number 8 na case. Yan, number 8. Years of Favis versus Gun. And see, kakatapos ko pa lang siya. And sobrang sakit ng likod ko. As in dito. Maybe because yung matagal na nakaupo. Or yung nagsusulat ng matagal. Pero sobrang sakit. Parang sobrang stiff niya. And na-frustrate ako kasi gusto kong tapusin hanggang case 15. Pero, ewan ko, sobrang sakit. So, what I usually do, guys, is naglalagay ako ng heat packs. So, ininit ko na to kanina. And, yeah. So, sa bahay na to, madami kaming mga hot compress. Actually, mga 4 or 5. Kasi, sobrang ginawin kami dito. And, mas stiff yung muscles namin. And, mamaya siguro bababa ako for back massage. Kasi, sobrang sakit talaga. Massage.
So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room. Have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bed, and look at stars and eyes. Keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone.
It's the next day! Yeah, it's Sunday, guys. And have a blessed Sunday. And sana safe tayo lahat. So, Sunday is supposedly my rest day. But, since next week ang aking midterms exams, I have to finish all my cases today. Actually, I still have 20 plus cases to finish. So, sana matapos ko sila lahat ngayon. So that, masama ko sila sa aking review for my midterms exams. So, yeah, wish me luck! So guys, these are the cases na kailangan kong i-digest. Actually, it's 29 lahat. And nandito na ako sa number 8 with Itzalas versus Matusalem.
Let's just keep it. I wanna keep it. Yeah, let's just keep it simple. Like simple. There's so much we can do at home.
Service at 2 p.m.
I'll never walk alone. I'll never walk alone with you by my side. But it did it because he loves us so much. He did that so that we can be part of his family, so that we can experience blessing, so that we can see him face to face.
Let's get my food panda order. It's downstairs na. Working break. My order has arrived. I disinfected everything na guys. So, nag-Lysol na ako bago ko pa ito inakyat. So, let's eat while we're listening to Victory's I will eat rice today. Pero half lang niya. Because I'm so hungry. It's 3 p.m. Natakot ako guys. Baka mabuhusan ko ng iced tea yung digest ko.
God bless everyone.
Done with the cases! And I'm trying to browse through banking laws kasi may bagong nilabas na readings yung prof ko sa commercial law. And kahinaan ko guys talagang negotiable instruments, banking laws, ganyan. So, doon talaga ako na-challenge. So, kailangan ko mag-browse kasi medyo madami siya. Yes. Actually guys, minsan, nagpapaturo ako sa papa ko with regards to banking laws, nego, mga ganyan. Pero, most of the time, ang reaction ko ganito. Ganun. So, lutang talaga ako most of the time pag nagpapa-explain ako. So, kung meron man talaga akong Waterloo, where yung pinaka-subject na na-challenge talaga ako sa law school, negotiable instruments talaga yun. Kasi sobrang hindi ko maintindihan, hindi ko ba alam. Pag pinapasa ko siya, guys, feeling ko nagagets ko naman siya. Pero kapag yung i-apply ko na, parang lost talaga ako. I don't know.
Oh, oh, oh.